Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this weekend, y'all, we went to the Mall of Georgia to celebrate and hang out for Star's birthday. And then the next day, we actually went to this place to ride horses. I wasn't really in the mood to record, y'all. I'm going through a lot, but I wanted to share just a little bit. So here you go. So I finally did let Star go play with everybody else, and I just kind of let them do their thing while I sat back and just watched from a distance. You know, they big enough that they can play on their own now. I feel like it's good to give the kids space, you know, to just be themselves and just grow and learn, you know, without hovering. So then after we ate in the food court, we came back out to catch the movie. They had a little movie Under the Stars. So we was watching Transylvania after I finally got them to stop playing on the playground. Star. Childhood memories. Are you good, bro? Oh. We stayed out there till it got dark, and I left like kind of right before the movie ended, you know, just so we can beat the crowd. Happy birthday, Star. The next morning on her birthday, I gave Star some balloons and her gifts. She got a tablet and a little hoodie, and then the baby sung happy birthday for her. It was cute. Oh, that's my girl, Star.
We love horses.
You love horses?
Yeah.
I love horses too.
Uh-oh. How we get in? Oh.
Yeah. Laura's so tall.
She is. That's what I say. How old is she?
She'll be 5, the 30th, her birthday.
Oh, that's why she is older.
Yeah.
Because Kyra won't be 5 until May.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta hold on, Kyra. Okay, so like I said, so then we went to go do pony rides, and I invited one of Kyra's friends. So one of Kyra's friends and her mom came, which was really cool. So they rode the ponies, and then we had like a petting zoo. They had a lot of fun. It was a good time. Sorry.
Girl, it's okay.
Okay. Make sure you get her face. You want to pet him, Starry?
This is a horse.
Good job, Star.
Very cute. There you go. It's so soft.
Here, you want to try this brush? Want to use a brush?
There you go.
Oh, good job, Starry.
Okay, so she's open to this horse.
Oh, maybe because his head is down.
Probably.
So after that, we went out to Chili's just to grab lunch, and then we sung happy birthday, and that was pretty much it, y'all. We had a really good weekend. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.